What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. As you guys can see, I am not in my garage, and that is because today's me, guys. So today we're gonna chill, you know, see how many cars come through, and you know, we're gonna chill and have some fun, just chill out. So I already got some whips here. It's still really early, but I'm gonna wash these two cars real quick. So yeah, guys, we got Mr. Andy to fly, Young Angel at the same spot as it was last time. So I'm gonna go ahead and start washing these two cars, and then we'll wait for people to pull in. Alrighty, guys, we got way more people pulling up. We got this clean ass SC 1J swapped, sick as fuck. Mr. LFA, as you guys know, with this clean ass Supra, and Mr. Sharko 5.0 with his clean ass 5.0. Big shout out to Gio. He's the owner of this car. He actually sponsored the meet with a bunch of food. Another Evo pulled up, clean ass freaking Evo, and yeah, guys, little by little they're starting to pull up. So big shout out to Mr. Gio for sponsoring the meet with the dogs and the food. Oh yeah, oh yeah, check it out.
Max out the credit card.
Yes, he hooked it up, so big shout out to him. Bunch of wonkers. What up, buddy?
What's going on?
So I'm gonna just wait and just keep seeing people roll up. Alrighty, guys, we got a fellow follower and subscriber here with this GSX. Another DSM pulled up, so hell yeah, let's keep them coming. So how much did you get this for, bro?
This one cost me $6
grand.
It only had 119,000 miles on it when I bought it.
Nice. Hell yeah, looking on pretty much stockish.
The only modifications are a recycler instead of the blow-up valve, and then the AMN intake.
Nice.
Other than that, I've just been restoring it.
Hell yeah. And you said you just spent a couple of grand on the transmission.
I've got $5 grand into it, $3 grand on the tranny, so a full rebuild, but they don't make 5th gear synchro anymore, so I had to get that used. The rest of it's new.
Nice.
Then just rebuilding the head. $2 grand into that. Other than that, it's stock. And
it's pretty clean, guys. Check out the inside. Clean, and it's a GSX, so hell yeah. Good come up, and let's make DSMs great again, bro. By little, we got more people rolling up. We got another MK3 Supra over here. I wish some of these cars weren't here, but so we can get the whole crew over here. But we got another MK3 Supra. We got is that a Q50?
I think so.
I think it might be a Q50. And oh, we got some 350s over here. We got the professional right here, stunning on us with the news camera. Oh yeah. But yeah, guys, it's good ass turnout. There's more people coming, so good ass turnout. Grubbing, chilling. Hey, what's up, bro?
What's going on? What's going on?
And this is, you guys never seen him, but this is the owner to that 2G that's on my house that I'm building. So finally, he doesn't let himself get seen. So
I know. Exclusive.
It's exclusive. But yeah. We got an Eagle fired up. That dude about bearing that? guys all know the homie Juan with the S14 1J. Alright, buddy. Ahí, güey, next to the Nismo.
Homie with the GTR.
So this way so you can park right there too. Hey, did you barely put that on?
What?
The steering wheel?
No, I had it.
I swear.
Yeah.
I never noticed it. Clean ass interior. He's gonna need spark plugs after this. So he tried to put a bread. I didn't record it when he did a two-step and it fucking blew the bread.
I was gonna do it. That thing flew up like.
Gang, gang! You guys want to park right here, bro, with the DSMs?
Yeah, I'm just turning around.
Well. Oh, we got one-handed pants in the house. What's up, bro? How you been?
Am I cool enough to?
There's a spot that just opened up right there, bro, next to that Supra. Take it.
Oh, okay. Next to the Supra. That's what's up.
Got the onesies. DSM, we got a lot of DSMs out here today. Hell yeah. Alrighty guys, so it's definitely a good ass turnout. We got a gang of DSMs, some Evos, Evo 10. We got a GTR that pulled up. Check it out.
Royal Gold. Get Royal Gold when you're getting gold.
So we got a sick ass GTR that pulled through. Sick as fuck. Damn. Look at that lip on that rim.
That's good. Yeah,
This man has an old car on his shirt. That's what's up.
What up, boy?
Mr. 4G63T Addict going at it.
Going at it. Hey, good turnout, bro. It was a good turnout.
Co-hosting.
Co-hosting. Good turnout. We got cameras all up in my face. All up in my grill.
Cameras on cameras on cameras. Thought you were gonna air up. No, dude, it's hot outside.
All right, which one you guys want me to do first, the DSM or the UI? Nah.
Do it for the channel.
Alright, so little by little everyone's taking off, but it was a good turnout. Check out all the DSMs. Big shout out guys for coming out. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
So big shout out for coming out. Appreciate it. Everybody over here. There's more people all the way over there, but where's John? So there's a bunch of DSMs that came out, so hell yeah guys. As you guys saw, everybody's taking off, everybody's dipping, so it was a really good turnout. And Mr. LFAT, we made it happen, bro.
It was a good turnout. We had a good time.
It was a good turnout. We ate. Big shout out to Gio
for the hot dogs.
Yeah, he provided all the food, so you know, hell yeah, that was freaking sick. And a lot of people came out, and it was freaking sick, guys. So
hopefully a lot more of these to come.
Yeah, come, and next time's gonna be even bigger, guys. So big shout out to Angel for letting us use the shop. So appreciate that. And yeah, guys, my limo's here, so I'm about to dip. My Uber driver. Nah, I gotta call my wife because I gotta take both cars home. So hey, big shout out for coming out. So yeah guys, we got so as you guys know, the 2G that we're building at the house, we got a gang of parts here. I just told you guys he's the owner, so he's gonna show us some of the see where they're 4-piston.
Yeah.
Hey. He got some freaking CTSV.
Oh, there are 4 pistons.
Calipers for the young DSM. So we're gonna be slapping those on. And is this a radiator?
The radiator.
We got a radiator. We got a FP manifold. So we got
the rotors.
He got the rotors. He got a bunch of stuff. So that DSM is gonna. It started from just let's do a mini rebuild to
full on build.
Let's do it on a whole full, guys. So it's gonna be sick. Like I told you guys, a lot coming. We have his build, we have Evo coming, so stay tuned guys. I will catch you guys in the next one. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram, please follow me on at 4G63 Addict, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one, guys. We got Mr. 100 pounds about to dip.
I'll give you some 2-step, but I ain't launching that.
Alright, we're gonna get some 2-step. We're gonna get some 2-step. Let's go, let's go. Woo! Oh yeah. Alright, bro. JA Tune, baby. He's got the sauce. Alrighty guys, so before the video ends, we're gonna do a little shoot with all the DSMs. So got everyone lining up right now so we can get some sick ass shots. Let's get it.